Initially, this involved conventional breeding, which consists of selecting the best progeny from two parental strains and crossbreeding it with the original parental strains. Several iterations of this process will result in the production of plants that express the desired traits. This process, however, is very time-consuming, and for example, the production of high-yielding and disease-resistant wheat can take up to 15 years to produce. This process, however, does have another limitation: the fact that you cannot introduce genetic sequences or genes from other organisms that aren't sexually compatible with the organism that you are breeding. Scientists have made use of agrobacteria. These are soil bacteria that infect cells within the stems and the roots of plants. These bacteria insert what is called a tumor-inducing plasmid into the cells of the plant. This tumor-inducing plasmid contains transfer DNA, that is, DNA which is inserted into the plant's genome to be transcribed. The DNA inserted contains genes which increase cellular proliferation within the cells of the plant, which will allow the formation of a tumor for which the cells to live in. It also contains genes which instruct the cells of the plant to produce valuable nutrients for the bacteria to thrive on, such as amino acids. The DNA inserted from the plasmid into the plant to cause these changes is termed transfer DNA. Scientists can make use of these soil bacteria by removing the transfer DNA, which would normally be transferred to the plant, and replacing this with genes of their choice to be expressed within the plant. In addition to this indirect method of DNA transfer into plants, there is also the direct transfer of DNA. The most common direct DNA transfer method is particle bombardment. This involves using protoplasts or meristem cells from plants. Gold or tungsten particles are fired at high velocity, usually at the protoplasts of plants. These particles are coated with DNA, that is, DNA which will allow the expression of desirable characteristics chosen by the scientists.